Let's make some glizzy corn dogs for my kids. Okay, so while our grease is preheating to 375, we're gonna go ahead and take our beef glizzies and go ahead and you can either air fry these, you can boil them, or you can put them in the oven. Me, I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 10-12 minutes, and then I'm gonna take them out and get ready to put them on these skewers. And I'm gonna do a couple of them Korean style, meaning with the cheese and the cheese spoon, you know all that good stuff. So that's what we about to make. So let's get into it. Okay, so I got 10 sausages and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes. Time to make our corn dog batter. Okay, time to get started on our dry ingredients. So we're gonna take 1 cup of cornmeal. All right, 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, half a tablespoon of baking powder. Okay, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of cracked black pepper. Okay, we're gonna mix this all together.
And me, Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna do it. Mommy, I'm gonna do it.
No, I'm already mixing it. Next, we're gonna do our wet ingredients. Yeah, I'm making y'all some beef glizzies.
That's good, Mommy.
Yeah, I know. Who don't like a beef glizzy?
I like glizzy.
Okay, now we're going to set this to the side, and then we're going to get started on our wet ingredients so we can mix this and make a really good thick batter. Okay, in this bowl we're going to do 1 cup of milk, oh shit, almost broke it. Unlike me, if you have honey, go ahead and add this in. You would add in 2 tablespoons of honey. I don't have no honey, so this going to the... I missed. Mix up the egg and the milk. And then go ahead, once we're done combining this, we're going to go ahead and pour it into our dry ingredients. All right, perfecto. Now go ahead and mix. It's going to look like this. Okay, now for our batter, we're going to take our wet batter, put it in the tall cup so we have enough room to make our glizzy skewers, and then we're going to dump them. Guys, this smells so freaking good. Ooh, it smells amazing. Okay, now we're about to take our glizzies and put them on a stick. Here's mine. This is how they look after coming out of the oven. My oldest son wants cheese on his because he wants his Korean style. So I have my cheese right here. I think I'm going to go ahead and use the Colby. And then I may cut up a slice of this sharp cheddar and use both of those on his. If you got a cutting board, use a cutting board. Me, I got a cutting board, but I don't feel like using it. So, yeah, I'm going to cut my cheese like this. And then I'm just going to take a couple squares. Then cut it like that. And then I'm going to make enough cheese like that. So we have 2 of these, and then I'm going to do the sharp cheddar like that too, about this length. Okay, we got our skewers right here. Now we're going to take our glizzies, our beef sausage glizzies, and we're going to put them on here, and then we're going to dip them in the batter, and then we're going to fry them. Now for the ones without cheese, I'm just going to stick it right through there like that. Ooh, stick it right through like that. Ooh, it's hot. That one. Now for the ones with cheese, I'm going to cut those in half. So I cut this one in half because cheese is going to go on here. Stick it through like that. And then take our cheese. Ooh, it's breaking. Mine kind of broke. The thicker you cut them, the easier the cheese is to go on there and not break. So, yeah. Okay, you get it to look like this, and now we're going to drop it in our grease. If your skewers are a bit long, go ahead and cut the stick so that it can fully submerge into the oil and not be sticking up and cook unevenly.
I saw corn dogs. I saw corn dogs.
Oh, shit. Now it's time to plate our finished product, and this is how our sausage corn dogs look. Now, if you want to use beef hot dogs or any type of hot dogs, you can go ahead and use the same recipe for that. Just changed out the type of meat, and everything was delicious. Let's get this video to 100 likes. Thank you. I already shouldn't have to tell you to save the video, but go ahead and save the video for me, sis, so you can always come back to it again. And instead of watching me eat, go ahead and like.